I've heard of Tamarud. I've heard of the third camp or Maidan Talit, the third square. But there isn't a mention about the role of the youth in the new Egypt. Right now, we just hear Adli Mansour and older generation, but the young are not mentioned at all. So,
it's not all some youth want to talk about what they want, but they get out for our revolution. Came for what? You don't hear about us.
Yes. So, what do you think can be done to improve that?
About Egyptians, they have irada. I don't know the meaning in English.
Okay, we'll say it again.
Irada.
Irada, like intention?
No, not intention.
Okay, I'm thinking Hindi. Okay.
We'll continue about our revolution until what we want will be done.
Okay. And what is it that you want to be done?
In our country, fair. All people, they killed our youth. They must be means in the code.
In the court? In the court?
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
All people will kill us. Must get in the code. We get in the prison. We will be continuing our revolution until we done what we want.
Okay.
Our freedom, our democracy. All youth.
You think Egypt is ready for democracy? Not now.
At least have 4 years, 4 or 5 years. We 4 or 5 years at least.
Okay. And all your friends here are anti-Ikhwan, right? Or they're from Ikhwan?
No, against it.
Against it?
Against
I think you call them the terrorists. Sunan.
I'm sorry, not all of them are terrorists. Some of them are terrorists. Have guns and shooting people. The army is doing
Okay. So you are against army and against
both of them.
yeah, we're against army and we're against.
So you are from the third wave.
Yeah,
But we wait until the army finished the terrorist one.
I'm sorry.
Then we down to the street, stop the army.
Take over. To like take over Egypt.
I'm support all the youth. Like 6 April and tomorrow. Every youth here in the Big Square, I support them.
Okay.
And against the army and against the
Okay. But do you think the army will take over? And if they take over, what will be your reaction? What do you think will be the reaction of Egypt if the army takes over?
No, it will not take it.
Okay.
It won't. They will not. No.
Okay.
All of Egyptians now are afraid of terrorists, and they see by the media. All of media buyers here in Egypt from 25. They are lies, tell lies about the revolution and people in this world. Then people right now believe in all of Ikhwan and beard big men are terrorists. All of them have a gun, shooting people, shooting the army, but not all of them.
But we will not give the army the chance to take the country.
Okay. Alright.
I'm against the fight. I'm against the fight and against army.
Okay.
And we will not give the chance to the army to take the country.
Okay. And you'll take to the streets again.
Yeah, our streets.
And there's this notion that there is the Baltagaya. Who are the Baltagaya?
But he work for himself to steal people, to steal some money.
They will take the money to get in the street to put the terrorists in our country.
Okay.
They take the money from someone.
Who's this someone? Who do you think is this someone?
Ikhwan and army.
Ikhwan and the army both. Okay.
I can take the police.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah. But all the people like us are not Baltagay.
Oh, okay. No, I'm not saying you're Baltagay.
No, I know. I'm not Baltagay or Ikhwan.
Okay.
I'm a revolutionary.
Okay.
I have a message. I get in the street to make my voice to all the world.
Okay. And will you be open to dialogue between different groups of youth movements? Like if the Ikhwan, some young person from the Ikhwan comes to you and says, let's have a dialogue, will you have that dialogue?
Yeah, I have. We can talk about it.
Okay, without like getting into a fight.
But I'm talking about myself. I can make a dialogue with a friend. See his
Point of view.
point of view, and I will tell him my point of view also.
Okay. And this, the CC is calling for an inclusive government now.
Yeah.
Okay, do you think they will join? The anti-coup people, will they join? Will you call? They will not. So what is the solution?
Solution? Solution for what?
Solution for this problem of division between Egypt. Like some people just hate each other so much. They want to like clean Egypt from the terrorists. And you cannot say
any country want to clean the terrorists from
yes, but you cannot say that all of the Ikhwan are terrorists, huh?
Yeah, I'm with you. I agree. But the solution, I think, when we can get on the country again.
They cannot.
The solution, I think, that CC calling right. He can take the country. He will take it to the street again. We can spread, and we will take our voice to our new president for our country.
Okay. And are you all students? In which university? Are you working or unemployed? Undergraduate. Looking for jobs? Okay. How hard is it to find a job? No job. So this should be the first challenge of the new president, right? Is to find the youth of Egypt jobs.
You will find he's looking for his own
His own benefit, interest.
for himself. They never search for solving our problem. Any president will come to Egypt.
Any president.
Never search for our
So, what, is this the Egypt you want? That, no president, any president that comes will not see for the youth, then who will see for them if they don't see for themselves?
We will choose the president. So when we choose it, we will make what we want.
Okay. Do you want to be the next president of Egypt?
No, I don't.
so no. The next.
It is difficult. And, even when Morsi took power, he made mistakes. But in 1 year, it's not possible for any president to solve any of these. It's like when you start a business, for example, it takes years to set it up. So then why do people take to the streets? Why?
Many problems. Egypt can solve it in 1 year. Like can solve it. He is weak, very weak. العربي مش موجود.
But we're not against our religion, Islam. But we're against the Ikhwan.
Okay, so it's okay for you that a government comes that is a Muslim government, but you don't want them to rule with Islamic law, with Sharia.
No, I agree to the Islamic law, but the right way.
The right way. And what is the right way?
Right way? To make it Islam, but with the democracy.
Okay. And what happens to the minority? Do you have any Christian friends in your group? Okay. Not now. Okay.
But we still friends.
Of course, that's the hope that everybody will come together eventually. Because Egypt, the young people of Egypt need to realize that a divided Egypt will not be a strong Egypt. You know, if you say, okay, like in India, when you have the Hindu-Muslim riots, you know, it's like the outside powers, like Pakistan, will come and take advantage of it. You know, for example. Right? For example. So I feel like when you're burning churches, not you, but some Egyptians, or maybe whoever, it's causing more of a divide, and this should be the reason that y'all should come together. Because if they manage to divide you, then it's, you know, then they're successful.
No one is successful to fight us. We're Egyptians, Christians, Muslims, well, like me. I'm
Like
Muslim,
you.
but not
You said it
not
well,
a
like
no,
me.
not a friend.
Okay.
Egyptian like him.
Just like me,
Oh.
or many times, like Christians, Muslims, I'm Muslim.
Okay. Okay. What is your name? Mohammed A.
Muhammad Sam.
Osama? Osama bin Laden?
No, Muhammad Sam.
And what is your name?
Muhammad
Mohammed? Nashar? Okay. Amazing. Well, I wish you good luck.
لا للديكتاتورية لا للحكومة السيادية لا للسلطة الأبدية نحن